Hey guys, welcome back with another video on Cyber War Lab where you get to learn about cybersecurity, ethical hackings and much more. So guys, as you know about my channel, those who don't know about my channel, let me tell you that I upload videos related to cybersecurity, and also mostly I focus on certification videos such as CH, EC Councils. Then apart from that, EGPT. Now recently I have started uploading red teaming stuff where you can learn an advanced levels, tactics, techniques to exploit the systems. But before that, let me tell you guys, whatever you are learning from my channel, it will be only for the educational purpose. I am not be responsible for anything if you are doing any kind of illegal activities. Fine. So let's do a quick recap. As you know about my last video where I uploaded that how basically Windows Defender's biggest weakness, which means how we can actually bypass the Windows Defender. Okay. As apart from that, I have also uploaded so many videos related to the CH, how you can clear your CH certification with my these study proven steps. You can follow this, and if your any colleagues or friends are preparing for this certification, you can share my videos between them and they will get a big help. They will actually understand what they need to do. Fine. So let's talk about today videos, guys. So as in my previous videos, I have shown you that how you can basically bypass the Windows Defender with the help of the Havoc. But like nobody commenting me in my comment section, people are coming to my Telegram channel and asking me about how we can for like bypass this. Can you tell me? I am gonna use this technique only for the educational purpose or study awareness. So let me tell you guys, this is not something where you can learn. This is not somewhat you can learn from any video or something like that. Nobody will gonna teach you, and there is no reference on the internet. Everyone can show you like how you can do that all XYZ thing, but if you need the exact results, exact output, so you need to learn by yourself only. Anyone can give you some reference about how all these things work, but nobody will gonna teach you how to build something like which we call implants, loader, or shell files or DLL files, which help you to bypass the Windows Defenders, all the real-time protections, or you can say the firewall. Fine. So in my previous video I have shown that, but let's see, we are gonna talk about some more advanced stuff. Okay. So in my previous videos I've showed you that how you can basically bypass the Windows Defender with the help of the Havoc. But right now, if I want to show you something more advanced, so as you can see, this is my Windows security at glance, and right now you can see, right now I have deployed the Bitdefender Antivirus, which is the next generation firewall, you can say, or your next generation EDR, endpoint detections. Okay. But in this video I'm gonna show you that how it's more affected than Windows Defender. So as you can see, I have disabled my Windows Defender. Right now you can see this is my Microsoft Antivirus Defender option. I can enable it, but right now I'm gonna show you how EDR works and how it's more advanced than Windows Defender, which comes by default with your installations. Okay, so let's see and let's start the method. So right now, as you can see, this is my Windows machine, okay, Windows 10 machine, and this is my Kali Linux machine, and you can see that I have already started my Havoc and listener is already set up, and I have already set up my session view into the table. And apart from that, if you want, I can set up the graph also, but that doesn't matter at all. Okay. So what I can do, I'll come back and I'll set up my section, my two listeners, sorry, session view, then graph, okay, sorry, table, and done. It's set up. And now what I can do, as you can see, I have already created a file. Okay, I have already created a daemon file x64.exe, and I'm gonna try to transfer my this file to my Windows machine. Let's see what will gonna happen and what output or what notification will be generated by Bitdefender. Okay, so here is my PowerShell, run as administrator, and I'm gonna use IWR invoke web request command to copy that file from my Kali machines to Windows machine. Fine. So let me first enable the, or let me just disable this first. And now what I'm gonna do now, first of all, I'll start my local server here or a Python server, and now I'll try to transfer this file from my Kali to my Windows machine. Let's see. Okay, here we go, and boom, now you can see 404 nothing matching with given URL or something like that. Now what I can do now, I'll come to my chat GPT, or like let me just take the command from there, because a single error can block your, or like it will not gonna work. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'll try to copy this command and let's see again. Here we go, and no, you can see that the remote server has done an error, like this daemon cxt like xyz is fully like it's giving some kind of error. Okay, fine. So what I can do, let me check, and I'm gonna show you the end results. And now what you can see that this is 100% Bitdefender or antivirus blocking this request. So as you can see, my Bitdefender basically it's blocking my this malicious file. What I can do more to show you, let me show you 192, and here you can see there is a file daemon x64.exe. If I'll try to download this file, let's see what will come. And boom, now you can see web protection by Bitdefender, dangerous page blocked for your protection, HTTP, and this is my Kali IP. Dangerous pages attempt to install the software, and what it did, it blocked this file. Now if I'll just click on the take me back to the safety, it will open this file like Bitdefender Central, and here you will get a notification that someone tried to download some XYZ file from the given IP. As you can see, July 5 2025 at 12:02 AM. Description: dangerous file attempt to block URL. This is basically the block URL file. And what I can do if I want to show you more detail, so as you can see, XYZ or XYZ.exe file has been blocked, that it tried to copy from this directory to like user section, but it's blocked by XYZ, or like it's blocked. Okay, and generic, as you can see, it's a Trojan file block. The device is safe. So basically what I wanted to say, and let me show you one more thing. If I'll just come to my Windows Defender here, and if I'll just open my this PowerShell, and here we go, dir, and inside the dir I'm gonna click on the cd administrator, then cd downloads, and here is our loader file. So what I'm gonna do now, I'll run this loader file. Let me show you. Okay, and let's come back to my Kali machine and Havoc, and here you can see we got a shell access, which means now if I'll come back to my Windows server, Windows security, and this, as you can see, this is a default virus and threat protection which comes by Windows, and this is a advanced layer of like a firewall, or you can see an advanced ADR protection. So now if you want to go with a Windows Defender, you can go, or if you want to choose a next generation EDR, you can go with this also. But this also can be bypassable, or attacker can bypass this also, but it will gonna provide you extra layers of security. I will suggest you can go with this. It will gonna provide you secure pass also, which will help you to encrypt your files, folders, and I'll suggest you to try to use BitLocker, something like that, to encrypt your file. So hope you understand, guys, how all this works, how EDRs is different, and how it's more advanced as compared to Windows Defender. But I'll show you how we can actually bypass this also, but not in this video. So hope you guys, you understand, you learn something from this video. And I will suggest you, if you are using still Windows Defender, then I will suggest you to disable it and try to use a next generation EDR to protect yourself from such attacks. Fine. As you can see, if I'll click on the dashboard, you can see system scan, vulnerability, VPN, safe pay, and if you go to the protection section, you can see real-time protection it will gonna provide you, then advanced threat defense, then online threat prevention, then vulnerability analysis, ransomware remediations, anti-spam emails, firewalls, and next generation firewall also it will gonna provide you. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, hope you learned something new from this video. And if anybody interested to learn all this thing, they can connect with me on my Telegram channel, but don't expect me to teach you all this for illegal stuff. So that's it for today, guys. We'll meet in the another video. Goodbye.